Okay, the important thing with factorizing trinomials. Okay, remember you want to factorize, you want to get factors, you want to get it in brackets. But you can say something times something gives you this. Okay, the important thing is that when you put in the brackets, because you know you're going to have the brackets, and you know that x times x is x to the power 2. So that's an easy start. Okay, the problem is now, first of all, you must know your timetables. You must ask yourself, how do I get to 54? 54 times 1 is 54. 27 times 2 is 54. Okay? 18 times 3, 54. So you must know the timetables. 9 times 6 is 54. So you must know your timetables, otherwise you might get stuck a little bit. Okay? So the one that's going to work is 9 times 6. Okay, why? Because if I put in, you check, you say, okay, let's see. Let's see, if I say plus 9 times plus 6, 9 times 6 is 54. But now you check the middle term. That's the important thing, the middle term. So when I multiply those ones and those ones, we call it the inner ones and the outer ones. Okay, the inner ones and the outer ones. When I multiply the inner ones, what's 9 times x? It's 9x. What is 6 times x? It's 6x. And what is 9x plus 6x? It's 50. So then you know it works. So if you said, let's try 18 and 3, then it would have been 18x and 3x, and 18 and 3 is 21. Then you know it doesn't work. So the way you check is by taking those ones, and then when you add those two, you're supposed to get the term in the middle. If you get the term, so this part here, you can do it in pencil. It's just to check. But that's the answer, x plus 9, x plus 6. Okay.